In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Apple Music app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. So to get Apple Music app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone, and here it is. If you tap on it, here you'll be taken to the search menu. Go ahead and first log in with your Google account, and you should see now we have a search bar here. If you can see the search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it and then search the app by its name. So I'll search for Apple Music and then tap on search icon here, and you can see we have our Apple Music app for Android here. To know it is the right app, make sure it is from Apple, and at the time of recording this, it has a star rating of 4.4 with over 681,000 reviews. Currently the file size is around 50 MBs, and currently it has over 100 million downloads. So if you see this information, then you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Apple Music app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you can see we have our Apple Music app here. Go ahead and tap on it to launch it. So this is the welcoming interface for the Android version. From here, go ahead and click on continue to log in or sign up with your account to start using it. So that's how you can install the right Apple Music app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.